What's going on, buddy? Got Jake and Joe here. Lane Sports Cards ripping 2024 Panini Donruss Baseball Hobby. 8-box break, number 2 Ram Division style. Looking at random results, had Raul T with the NL East down to Matthew S with the NL Central. As always, you can find these results at any time or the results tab lanesportscards.com. This goes up to 900. So Chrome Bounty's up to 900 now. We'll get rid of that. Don't need to have that anymore. And we'll get started. Get started on Donruss. So again, all regular base will be split even here. Any hits, inserts, parallels will be sorted and shipped. So all regular base, including the rookies, will be split here. Will be split. So I'm going to have Joe help me rip this one as well. So if you see me handing off a box to him, that's what he's doing. Helping me rip these 8 boxes. Again, we are scheduled for contenders next. I marked down teams quite a bit across the board here in all the breaks that we have listed. Let's get those filling on up, guys. Let's go. Let's go. 19 to go on the first one. Also have 2 to go in Donruss Blaster, or Rookies and Stars Blaster as well. We can get that going next if Contenders isn't filled up. And that's only like 32 bucks a spot. So we could definitely get that going if that is filled up once we're done with this and Contenders is still not full yet. Let's get tendies going, guys. Get tendies filling on up here.
Let's go get some tendies.
Or half casers. Curtis with the Bengals in 6 and 7 and a select blaster spot. So the Bengals gone in 6 and 7. That's down to 20 and 21 to go there. Very nice. 20 and 21 to go there. Thank you guys for filling us up so far today. Much appreciated. Start going through these. All regular base splits. Got a Francisco Alvarez to 149 for the NL East. Jim Thome. Chrome Austin Wells. Got a Greetings from San Diego. Greetings from San Diego there on the short print. Ethan Salas going to the NL West.
Nice.
The pool last night was disgusting. Insane. Noah Schultz on the Chrome. Nick Lofton on the laser for the AL Central. Got a Chase DeLauder AL Central on the autograph. There you go, AL Central. Cisco Alvarez. Lou Brock on the foil. To 199 Kendall George for the NL West. Milestone Sammy Sosa. Hollow Edgar Martinez AL West. Juan Bin Show NL Central to 275. Del Amador, Juan Bin Show Marvels. Westberg and a Andrew Walters. Andrew Walters there for the AL Central on the foil. Foil prospect. How you doing, Mook? 299 got Miles Naylor AL West. Caminero Unleashed. Got a Angel Martinez on the signature series for the AL Central. Kirby Puckett foil. Yeah, that was literally insanity. Celestin, Mark McGuire, laser AL West. Brandon Pfaadt, Bartolo Colon to 149 for the AL West. Pink Velocity, Dylan Head, NL West to 79. Kyle Harrison, Paul Skeens on the Unleashed to 199. Go NL Central. Nice Skeens. Cole Emerson, Posey. Got a jersey of Heston Kierstad, AL East, 299. That really was, man. Soderstrom foil. Really was. 299 got Noelvi Marte for the Reds. Or NL Central. NL Central. Joe Torre on the hollow. AL East. Randy Johnson to 99, AL West. And a filler. Yeah, marinating for a long time. Wade Boggs laser, AL East.
What box did he come out of?
18 Prism and 20. Crawford, rated Prospect Hollow for the NL East. To 199. Got Cool Papa Bell. That'll be Ram to all at the end. All the non-MLB will be a Ram to all. So, random at the end there. Johnny Bench. Johnny Damon foil. Brayden Taylor. Eric Davis. And a Junior Caminero to 275 AL East. Sort. Yeah, the jersey number. Jet Williams for the NL East. Foil. 299 got Austin Wells for the AL East. Greg Maddux. Roger Clemens to 275 for the AL East. Jackson Holiday. Bartolo Colon. Laser for the AL West. Autograph. Daniel Espino. AL Central. Rigged rookie hollow autograph. Array of prospect.
What's up, Herb?
Jesus. Hello, Herb with a bad fit. Kirby Puckett foil. How we doing today? Ozzie Smith on the Pink Velocity. NL Central to 79. Nick Lofton. David Ortiz to 199. Milestones AL East. Cam Collier. Braden Taylor. Herb with a fit that is bad. Hello. Johnny Damon on the foil. To 149 got Brock Porter for the Rangers. Or AL West. James Wood. Hollow Cole Young AL West. Elian Soto to 99 for the NL East. Unleashed. Filler. Ricky Henderson laser AL West. George Sisler. George Sisler there. Believe that'll go AL East. Be the St. Louis Browns. Seiya Suzuki to 149. NL Central. Eric Davis to 199. NL Central. Milestones Jim Palmer. Jersey a PCA for the NL Central to 99. Receiver Evan Carter. Max Muncy. Sheffield. Let's get contenders going, guys. Contenders football. 19 to go in the first half case. I marked them down quite a bit. Quite a bit. Let's get those going here. Lou Brock. Von Melendez. Zach Neto. Laser. AL West. Rod Carew. Roberto Alomar for the AL East on the Diamond Kings. 199 Adele Amador, NL West. Fox Chase Davis to 275, NL Central. James Wood. Got a Hollow Tim Wakefield, AL East. Ty Floyd to 99, NL Central. Got a Paul Skeens on the green for the NL Central. Rated prospects. 5 of 5.
Whoa.
Here we go, NL Central. Heck yeah. Skeensy, 5 of 5. That's nasty. Get that into a mag for you, NL Central. Very nice. That's fire. Heston Kierstad for the AL East rookie autograph. Mark McGuire. See what Donruss can bring. That's what it can do, man. That's what it can do. Let me mark down teams again here in contenders. Marking teams down once again here in Tendies. Let's go, guys. Big time discounts. Texans down to 219. Colts down to 319. Keith with a Rookies and Stars spot. That's down to 1. 1 to go in Rookies and Stars Blaster. So we can get that going next if Contenders doesn't get filled up here. But again, I just marked teams down once again. Once again in Tendies. Let me get you a link. Brian selling us on Rookies and Stars. So last spots left for today are going to be Contenders, guys. Last spots on the day are going to be Contenders. Let's get those going.
All the contenders.
That's all we have left for the daytime. All we have left is Tendies. Let's get those filled up. Let's get those filled up, guys. Come on. Let me get that tweeted out. So if you're looking for breaks daytime, it's Tenders PYTs. Tenders PYTs. 4 half casers currently listed. Let's get them going. Link is in chat. Link is in chat. And we'll probably get the Rookies and Stars going after this. If Contenders isn't sold out. So we'll probably jump ahead to that. And we'll focus on Contenders after that. Let's get teams rolling on in here. Get teams rolling on in. Texans and Colts still out there. Thank you.
Sir.
Tenda's last break spots of the day. Let's get them filling on up. All half cases. Chasing cracked ice. Championship or Super Bowl tickets. You got the SPs in there. Crown Jewels. And 5 autos per box too. 5 autos per box. Pulled some heat, man. Pulled some absolute heat out of contenders. Know that. Know that for a fact. Here we go. Next couple boxes. Espino, Kierstad, Soderstrom got a Dalton Rushing to 99. NL West. Got Rain Duncone to 149 for the NL West. Autograph going to be Charlie Soto, AL Central. Holo autograph. Pedro on the foil. George Sizzler on the laser. Shaver, Kirby Puckett to 275 AL Central. To 199 Phil Rizzuto for the AL East. Holo Johnny Farmello and Dwight Gooden on the optic. Senga done for the year. My goodness. That's rough. That is very rough. What's going on here? What? Got a Paul Skeens to 199 NL Central.
Damn it.
Duncone Holo NL West. This all base. Oh my god. Really? Roger Clemens on the base. Got a Robin Yountz on the laser. NL Central. A Brandon Maia optic. This is all base. You gotta be kidding me, dude. It's all flipped around. Kyle Harrison to 149 NL West. Zach Neto on the holo AL West. Oh my goodness. Unleash Chase Young. Cade Horton to 79 Pink Velocity for the NL Central. Sorry, guys. Just got to make sure that the base is everywhere. That's a Randy Johnson on the holo. Randy Johnson optic. Miles Naylor jersey 99 for the AL West.
That stinks.
Ethan Salas Marvels. Miguel Blyce on the optic.
A high grade calf strain.
Sort. Split. Lucas with the Browns and number 8. Thank you, Lucas. So that's down to 24. 24 to go. Still 19 to go. 19 to go in number 5. Come on, guys. I marked them down again. Marked teams down once again. The 149 Johnny Bench NL Central. Evan Carter. Got a Kyle Harrison on the foil. Kirby Puckett. Ethan Salas, 275 NL West. 199 Drew Jones for the NL West. Brock got a Coming Attractions of Kevin Alcantara, NL Central. Short prints. Ken Griffey Jr. Laser. AL West. Noble Meyer to 49 on the autograph for the NL East. Nice hit there. First rounder last year. Pete Rose on the foil. 299 Henry Davis, NL Central. Hollow Bartolo Colon for the AL West, and a Chase Donner to 25 NL West. John with the Elite Extra. Nicholas with the Broncos in number 5. Thank you, Nicholas. We're down to 18. 18 to go in tendies. 18 to go, guys. Getting there. We are getting there. Charlie Soto, laser for the AL Central. Kyle Harrison to 275, NL West. Pink Velocity, Bubba Chandler, NL Central. Got a Kendall George, NL West to 99 on the jersey. Black Pandora, Frank Thomas on the short print, AL Central. Ozzie Smith on the foil. Don Rushing, Will Clark. Mauricio to 99. Got Chipper Jones, NL East. Cracked Ice, Robin Yount to 25 for the NL Central. And a Big Poppy insert. To 149, got Ozzie Smith for the Cardinals. Pedro. Or NL Central, sorry. Keep calling teams out. It's divisions. Robin Yount to 149 NL Central. Austin Wells on the foil. Rafael to 99 for the AL East. Only Chrome. Hollow Kyle Teal AL East. And a filler. Steve with a full case Ram team spot for Chrome. Unleashed Holiday. Johan Santana. Drew Jones on the foil, NL West. And last spots of the day are contenders. Lou Brock, Hollow, NL Central. Andrew Walters to 275 AL Central. So if you're looking for spots daytime, that's what we got. Blyce to 199 AL East. And they are heavily discounted. Drew Jones, Hollow autograph for the NL West. Eric Davis. Jim Thome laser, AL Central. Ryan Braun. Coming attractions, Jace Young, AL Central. Via the Tigers. Bryce Matthews to 149 for the AL West. Gavin Williams laser, AL Central. 249. Got a Dale Amador purple color match auto for the NL West. There you go. What's up, Jace? Johnny Bench foil.
Well, hello there.
To 99, Ken Griffey Jr., AL West. What? Justin with the Giants and Patriots in number 5. Ken with a select blaster spot. So we're down to 16 to go, halfway full on the first contenders. Brian with the Niners in number 5. There we go. We're moving over halfway. 15 to go. 15 to go. Joe's going to get you a link. Or do you want me to do it?
I got you.
Joe's going to get you a link. 15 to go, over halfway, guys. On tendies. First half case. Much appreciated. And we'll break next if we get it filled up. Good break next if we get it filled up. Got the Texans and the Colts still there. Heavily discounted on them.
What the hell happened to your head?
Oh no, Jace. What teams are left in contenders?
Falcons, Panthers, Lions, Packers, Texans, Colts, Chiefs, Raiders, Chargers, Rams, Dolphins, Vikings, Eagles, Steelers, Seahawks.
Let's get those teams filled up, guys. Some solid teams left that he just named off at a good discount. Some very nice teams. Let's get them going. Got the Puka chase still out there. Have pulled a Puka auto before out of the few contenders that I've opened. $15 to go. 15 to go. Aaron with the tier 1 spot. Open this box too real quick.
Yeah, me one as well. Got one left. Who told you to battle a post slammer?
That sounds wild.
Ow.
That sounds insane.
No one makes me bleed my own blood.
Tigers suck. There's RPC.
RPC.
Joshua with the Rams and Seahawks. Intendies down to 13 to go. 13 to go in the first half case. Thank you, Joshua. We're getting there. We are getting there, y'all. 13 to go. Last breaks with spots on the daytime. Four half cases listed. And those all count toward the national as well. We're running out of days to get into that national promo if you have not. So heavy discounts along with the promo. Let's get them filled. Joseph with the tier 1 spots. Here we go. Next couple of boxes here. Filler. Brandon Maya laser, AL East. Hollow Kemp Alderman, NL East. Acuna to 199 for the AL West. Or no, NL East. Sorry, NL East on the Acuna. Wakefield to 149 AL East. My bad.
Nice.
Dwight Gooden late foil.
Something out of 10.
Ooh. Like what I'm hearing, Joe. McGuire to 99 AL West. Like what I'm hearing. To 199 Colson Montgomery AL Central. Got a greetings from Atlanta. Chipper Jones. NL East on the short print. You go NL East. Tim Wakefield on the laser. AL East. Otto Felton Celestin on the hollow autograph for the AL West. Smith Shawver on the foil. Shoeless Joe Jackson on the black velocity at 39. That's pretty cool, man. AL Central.
Nice.
That's really cool. Henderson hollow AL West. Tyler Black to 275 NL Central. Don Rushing, Evan Carter. Again, 13 to go. 13 to go in the first Contenders PYT. Get that filled up. That filling on up. Vladdy Sr. to 199 AL West. It's all paper. Reggie Crawford to 49 for the NL West. Bomb Squad Pujols. There's a Rain Don Cone autograph to 99 for the NL West. Bobby Miller foil. Nick Gonzalez laser NL Central. Hancock to 275 AL West. 299 Elijah Green NL East. Alonzo Treadwell for the NL East. Jersey of Jet Williams to 10 on the patch for the NL East. Nice hit there. Soderstrom foil. To 199 Roger Clemens AL East. Hollow Nick Gonzalez NL Central and Andrew Walters to 149 AL Central. I can open the last. You're good. Appreciate it. Much appreciated, good sir. Carson Williams, Don Mattingly. David Wrights. Jackson Holiday to 199 AL East. A Tyler Black NL Central to 149. Marvels. Auto Dylan Head to 75 for the NL West. Bill Madlock foil. Brooks Robinson laser AL East. Dylan Cruz to 149 NL East. Nice hit there. Great prospect. 199 Edward Julian for the AL Central. Base. $13 to go. There's a link. Thank you, Joe. There is a link to the break. Kendall George on the NL West foil. Tamar Johnson, McGuire. Jersey of Bryce Matthews, AL West. Masataka Yoshida foil. Got a Black Velocity, Roman Anthony, 239 for the AL East. Jones. Hollow, Robin Yao, NL Central. Bobby Valentine to 99 for the NL East. Filler. Aiden Miller laser for the NL East. Hollow, Harry Ford, AL West. George Lombard to 49 for the AL East. Diamond Marvels. Base. $149 Greg Maddux, NL East. Paul Skeens. Poppy. Ichiro on the foil. Wilson.
There's one saving grace for Senga not being able to play for the rest of the year.
Bryce Eldridge is 275 NOS. What's that?
He has a clause for his contract for an opt-out.
Gonigal to 199 AL Central.
It would have guaranteed him to at least the option to opt out if he'd reached 400.
Jackson Merrill for the NOS on the coming attractions. There you go. Nice short print.
If he reached 400 innings by the end of 2025, which now he probably won't get. So now he is locked in until 2027 for $15 million a year.
Noelvi Marte, NL Central. Auto, Sebastian Walcott to 99 for the AL West.
That's all right.
Pujols foil. To 99, Thomas White, NL East. Griffey on the hollow, AL West. And a Pete Rose to 275 NL Central. Are we doing Curry? I'm opening this last box before we start going through the last two here real quick. Again, 13 to go. 13 to go in the first Contenders PYT of the day. Teams heavily marked down there. Let's continue to get those teams filling on up. Got currently 4 listed. 4 listed. And we'll most likely get into the Blasters next. The Rookies and Stars Blasters. And we'll focus on Contenders after that. Well over halfway the first one. Just 13 to go. Last break spots of the daytime there. Gonna be a little behind going into the next break. Ran a little behind on this one. Do apologize about that. Here we go. Okay, everybody. Crawford on the laser, NL East. Hollow, Bobby Witt, AL Central. Masataka Yoshida to 275, AL East. 299 got Colt Emerson, AL West. A jersey of Roman Anthony to 99, AL East. Randy Johnson on the foil. Brock. James Wood Unleashed to 10 for the NL East. Nice. Number 1 of 4 of 10. There you go, NL East. That is a nice one there. Dude has been playing really well. Wainwright to 49 NL Central. James Wood on the bomb squad. To 149 Roman Anthony, AL East. Bobby Miller. Bartolo Colon to 25 AL West. On the green. Dwight Gooden. Foil for the NL East. 199 Mickey Mantle for the AL East. Hollow. Bubba Chandler, NL Central. Filler. Got a Diamond Kings Bob Gibson for the NL Central. Cool hit there. Robbie Snelling, NL West on the foil. Luis Acuna, Bryce Eldridge. Hollow, Bobby Valentine at NL East. 275, Lucas Shaw for the AL Central. To 199, Justin Crawford, NL East. Autograph, 249, Cedon Rafaela. There you go, AL East.
Nice.
Rated Prospect Auto on the purple. Very nice hit there. Smith Shawver foil. Good show. Gavin Stone laser, NL West. AJ Smith Shawver on the optic. Pete Rose. Rhett Lauder to 149, NL Central. Greg Maddux on the laser, NL East. A Yiddy Cappy to 25 on the Pandora autograph for the NL East. There you go. Bobby Miller foil. Cracked Ice. Blake Mitchell, AL Central, 25. Kyle Teal. Base. All right, last box coming up here. Last box of the break. And then we'll do a recap. Or we got to do a random and then a recap. Random and then a recap. Still got 13 to go in the first Contenders PYT of the day. 13 to go.
Who's the random?
It was all non-MLB.
Oh, non-MLB.
You don't need to put aside anybody. To 149, Mick Abel for the NL East. It's all good. I remember now. Waldrip to 199 NL East. Ken Collier. Jersey of Ricky Tiedemann to 99 for the AL East. Gray Rod on the foil. To 199, Adam Wainwright for the NL Central. Ellie, a Seiya Suzuki to 275 for the NL Central. There's a filler. Jackson Holiday. Ozzie Smith laser. Hollow, Rhett Lauder for the NL Central. Pink Velocity, Ellie De La Cruz, NL Central, 279. There we go. Nice hit. Bill Madlock, Kyle Harrison, foil. Muncie. Wanbin Cho to 99, NL Central. Base. To 149, Joe Jackson, AL Central. Shoeless Joe. Matos. Got a Ichiro career retrospective for the AL West. That's pretty cool. Another short print. Career retrospective. Nice. Gonzalez. Big Poppy. Laser AL East. Got a Elijah Green auto NL East on the hollow. Pete Rose laser foil. 199 Diego Cartaya NL West. A Greg Maddux hollow for the NL East. Dylan Cruz 275 NL East. Jacob Wilson. Lacquer case hits in Topps Chrome. Yeah, I've seen it a couple times. I guess that's why they don't call them really case hits. They're just called like short prints. Chase Davis on the foil for the NL Central. Black Velocity PCA NL Central to 39. Yeah, I have seen what you're talking about. Brandon Barrera on the autograph for the AL East.
What are considered the case hits for Chrome again? Fanaticals?
He's talking like Fanaticals, the Helixes, stuff like that. Tom Seaver laser, NL East. And a Joe Torre to 149 AL East. All right, let's do a random. Do a random here. And we'll do a recap. Brandon with the Niners in number 6. Thank you, Brandon. So that's down to 19 to go in number 6. Let me set up a random here. So in the teens on the first full case of tendies. we got non-MLB. Gonna roll 2 dice. Determine amount of times we go. Top spot gets all the non-MLB. 7 times. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Get the divisions copied over. So 7 times. Top spot gets all non-MLB. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The NL Central. NL Central getting all the non-MLB cards. Congrats. Congrats, congrats, congrats. I do a recap. Do a recap now. So we had short prints and number. Greetings from Atlanta, Chipper Jones. Greetings from San Diego, Ethan Salas. To 99 One Show. These are just all, yeah. Emerson, Valentine, White. These are all the 99. Elijah Green, McGuire, Ken Griffey, Rafaela, Davis, Naylor, Johnson, Marte, Wells, Floyd, Soto. To 79, Ellie De La Cruz, Bubba Chandler, Cade Horton, Dylan Head, Ozzie Smith, Wainwright to 49, Reggie Crawford, 39 PCA, Roman Anthony, Joe Jackson, 25 Blake Mitchell, Robin Yount, Chase Donner, Cologne, to 10 James Wood. It'll be Sam. Sam is breaking. Jerseys, we got Ricky Tiedemann, Roman Anthony, Bryce Matthews, Kendall George, Miles Naylor, PCA, Kierstad, and Jet Williams. Our autographs, we had Barrera, Elijah Green, Celestin, Jones, Soto, Kierstad, Espino, Martinez, DeLauder, Walcott, Duncone. Those were to 99. 75, Dylan Head. To 49, Meyer, Rafaela, Amador, and to 25, Yiddy Cappy. And we also had the Paul Skeens on the optic number to 5 for the NL Central. 5-5. All right, y'all, that's going to do it for 24 Donruss Baseball Hobby. 8 box number 2 random divisions. On to Rookies and Stars.